If you want complete protection inside and outside your car with smart AI safety features, this dash cam is a powerhouse automobile video camera. Today, I'm reviewing the Neideso 5-channel 360 degrees dash cam, designed for total coverage and peace of mind. 5-channel 360 degrees recording. This system uses 5 cameras to record the front, rear, sides, and inside the cabin, giving you full 360-degree coverage with no blind spots. 2.7K, 1944p, HDR video quality. The front camera records in 2.7K 1944p HDR, capturing sharp details like license plates and road signs in both bright and low-light conditions. STARVIS 2 Plus IR Night Vision. Powered by the STARVIS 2 sensor and IR Night Vision, this camera delivers clear footage even in complete darkness, perfect for night driving or rideshare use. AI Fatigue Driving Monitor. The built-in AI fatigue monitoring system alerts you if it detects distraction or drowsiness, helping keep you safer on long trips. 5G Wi-Fi, GPS, and 24H parking mode. With 5G Wi-Fi, you can quickly download footage, GPS records speed and location, and 24-hour parking mode protects your car while parked. True 360 degrees coverage, inside and outside protection with 5 cameras. Excellent night performance. STARVIS 2 Plus IR Night Vision. Ready to use includes a free 128 GB SD card. Installation takes time. Multiple cameras require careful setup. Parking mode may need hardwire kit for continuous power. If you want advanced AI safety, strong night vision, and full 360-degree coverage, the Neideso 5-channel dashcam is a great choice for families, commuters, and rideshare drivers. Protect every angle of your drive. Click the link in the description to check the latest price on Amazon. Don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe bell, and comment if you want more dash cam reviews.